Unexpected virus behaviour in the post-COVID world. What's going on?
Well, this is it, Pat. I've been saying this for a while now, and it looks like it's on the way. Bird flu, Pat. Bird flu. Yeah, that's right. It's coming down like a freight train, and we've got to be careful because it's jumping off. It's jumping off from animals, and it's going to jump onto us. And with this, Pat, it's extremely dangerous. You'll be sneezing your brains out. Sneezing and coughing is extremely dangerous. In fact, if you get bird flu, you'll be running around and you'll be trying to jump and fly. And people may jump off buildings thinking they can fly, and you may even start eating birdseed, Pat. And this is extremely dangerous. So masks may become a very, very important part because we know how important they were during the COVID vaccine. Hugely important. And then eventually, hopefully, we'll bring in some vaccinations. So this is the next thing we want to scare the bejesus out of the Irish people and essentially the world, Pat. But we will have an mRNA vaccination. I'm heavily invested in, thank God. But yeah, it's quite scary, Pat, that this will be coming down the line. But as I say, get your masks, get your vaccinations when they come along, and if you don't, we have a few lads that'll put you back in your house to make sure that things go smoothly. So just bear in mind that it could be dangerous, but we'll see what happens. I look forward to seeing what happens, Pat. I mean, I'm not looking forward to seeing what happens, Pat. Let's hopefully nothing happens, Pat.